Discover the 2023 Mitsubishi Outlander. Get ready to take Baton Rouge by storm. Welcome to the best car dealership in Baton Rouge, Louisiana, Royal Mitsubishi. We proudly serve the Baton Rouge community and neighboring cities of New Orleans, Hammond, and Lafayette with top-of-the-line Mitsubishi vehicles. If you're looking for an SUV for long road trips or errands in Baton Rouge, look no further than the stylish and powerful 2023 Mitsubishi Outlander. Step into the 2023 Mitsubishi Outlander and be welcomed by a cozy interior radiating elegance and comfort. Sprawling seats provide abundant space for people and luggage, ideal for family adventures. Here's an SUV that offers plenty of leg space for every route. Surround yourself in luxury with great amenities such as high-quality upholstery, innovative climate regulation, and an expansive sunroof enabling you to bask in the Louisiana sun. A visually appealing form hiding a pragmatic essence characterizes the 2023 Mitsubishi Outlander. Flowing contours combine style and purpose. The front face and grille quickly grab attention and will make heads turn as you navigate the roads in Baton Rouge and beyond. Brilliant LED lights illuminate the path forward, guaranteeing clear visibility even in the harshest of weather conditions. Powered by a potent yet efficient engine and an adaptive transmission, the 2023 Mitsubishi Outlander offers you an engaging driving experience tailored for any road. The engine can unleash up to 224 stallions when needed, and even thriftier fuel usage, up to 25 mpg in the city and 31 mpg on the open road, so you get value for money. The Super All-Wheel Control, SAWC, furnishes upgraded cornering solidity and nimble maneuvering on any landscape while keeping you protected and secure at all points. We stand behind what we build. That's why our vehicles are backed with a 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain limited vehicle warranty, 5-year, 60,000-mile, fully transferable, new vehicle limited warranty, 7-year, 100,000-mile warranty, anti-corrosion perforation, limited warranty, and 5-year unlimited miles roadside assistance. Like our cars, we intend to deliver excellence for many years to come, with some of the most comprehensive vehicle warranties in the industry. Ultimately, the 2023 Mitsubishi Outlander exemplifies vehicular perfection, ideally fitting for the energetic roads of Baton Rouge, LA, and surrounding metropolitan areas. As the premier Mitsubishi retailer in this vicinity, Royal Mitsubishi is devoted to offering unrivaled client care and guaranteeing you discover the ideal conveyance to go with your Louisiana way of life. We'd be delighted to have you stop by and experience the 2023 Mitsubishi Outlander yourself.